Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi cooking. How to make oat flour at home in under 5 minutes. This is the easiest recipe ever and it can be used in all sorts of ways. Making oat flour is very simple. It requires just one ingredient and a blender or a food processor. You can use oat flour to make oat flour pancake, like oat flour banana pancake. These are the ways to use your oat flour. Ingredients. What is oat flour? Oat flour is made from a whole grain. You only need rolled oats or old-fashioned oats or quick cooking oats to make your own oat flour at home. Ways to use oat flour. You can use it to make oat flour cookies. You can make oat flour pancake, oat flour bread. Oat flour is actually healthy. You can also use it to make Nigeria chin-chin. You can use oat flour to make so many breakfasts like oats smoothie breakfast. Let's start making our oat flour. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of oat flour into a blender. You can use a very powerful blender or you can use a food processor to make your oat flour at home. So I'll be using oatmeal to make my oat flour. After adding it into a blender, I'll start blending this gradually, like gently, a low speed, then increase the speed as time goes on until you get a powerful oat flour. So it only takes few minutes to make your oat flour. You will not buy oat flour again after learning this method to make your oat flour at home. It's very simple and it's very easy. It's the easiest oat flour recipe. You can make oat flour recipe in under 30 seconds. This is very simple and it's very easy to make at home. After blending this, I'm going to add it into a bowl so you can see how our oat flour looks like. Okay, please let me know where you are watching this video from so I can easily give you a hug. Please remember to share this video and remember to like this video as well. If you have not liked this video, please hit a like button, and as well, if you really enjoy it, remember to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon so you get updated of my new videos on oat and so many recipes that are coming on oat flour recipe. For my new subscribers and old subscribers and returning viewers and new viewers, thanks so much for watching my oat flour recipe, and you can as well watch this my oat breakfast smoothie on how to lose weight and other recipe. Please watch more of my video. Hope to see you next time, and bye bye.